Clove promote hair growth and reduce hair fall. The compound Eugenol found in clove promote hair growth. It helps to solve the problem of hair thinning. It keeps the scalp fresh and reduce scalp infection like dandruff. All you have to do is to grab a clean jar bottle and add half cup of water into the jar. Add 1 teaspoon of clove into the jar and cover it overnight or some hours to allow the clove nutrient to fully absorb. Clove is full of antioxidants. Clove acts as a conditioner. Clove keeps your hair smooth and manageable. Clove has vitamin E, clove has vitamin K, it has vitamin C, it has vitamin E, it has minerals such as magnesium, it has potassium, calcium, and sodium. Now you get a strainer and strain the juice out of the clove water. Clove has a cooling sensation and keep your hair follicles fresh and clean. That cooling sensation promotes blood circulation to the shaft of your hair, thereby promoting hair growth. You can either get a spray bottle or an applicator bottle for this clove hairspray mixture. A second ingredient to this clove hairspray mixture is peppermint oil. Peppermint has a compound called menthol, and this menthol has a feeling enables blood to circulate properly into the hair shaft. This can help promote hair growth during the anagen stage of the growing phase of hair. Peppermint oil is very peppery, so you need like 5 to 10 drops of peppermint oil in this mixture. But I added 1/3 of 10 ml to this mixture because I love it hot. The hotter, the better. Our third ingredient is castor oil. Castor oil has fatty acid that provides essential proteins and nutrients to the hair follicles, and it is also used to prevent hair follicles inflammation because of its antimicrobial properties. It also have antifungal properties. It also have antibacterial properties. Castor oil has ricinoleic acid. This acid helps to lock in moisture while promoting clean and healthy scalp. You can apply this mixture onto your scalp at night before bedtime, and I assure you 2 to 4 inches in 1 month. Please do join the challenge for 30 days and let's hear your results. Now, anything that grows from the ground is a potential health and beauty therapy to explore. So, do go into nature and do your own research. Until then, see you in my next video. Bye bye.